Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I am going to share that how we will change our Indian domain password and how we will set our 5 secret questions during our Indian domain password change. So these are some steps that you have to perform. So first thing, you log in into your Ultimatix account. After successfully login, you will find your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and you will find password management. You have to click on password management. After clicking on password management, you will see this password management and Ultimatix password, change password, set secret password. Click on the set secret password. Steps for setting the secret questions. These are some you have to select individually any 5 questions, that is name of your birth city, favorite cricketer, maiden name of your mother, brother name, all these you can set any 5, and also with your secret passwords questions. Then after that you have to click on proceed. They will set your all the 5 questions. It will be required during your change of Indian domain password. Now let me show you how we will change the Indian domain password. So after this, here is your domain account, change password and unlock account. You have to click here on domain account. Yeah, this is your global domain account management. Your employee ID should be mentioned here, and after that your date of joining, you have to fill your date of joining. So here is you why you are setting that secret questions, ultimatic secret questions, name of your birthplace, the password you set there. You have to put your secret answer here, and after that you have to select your domain. Here you will select India. After selecting India, you will choose any of these authentication methods, either AUTHCODE or Ultimatix password. If you want through AUTHCODE, then simply put your AUTHCODE using your mobile and either Ultimatix password and click on submit. Okay. After that, you will get a small pop-up regarding your change of Indian domain password, and you will set there a password of according to the privacy securities that were provided by TCS to set up the password. Okay, so this is the whole process that we will follow to change our domain password, and secret questions are also very important before setting your domain. So this is all for today's video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.